Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change email on Twitch. So let's start. First open the Twitch app. When the app opens, tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Then tap on account settings. Now go to security and privacy. And here at the top of the screen you will see your email. Tap on that. Now enter the email you want to change to. And then tap next on top right corner. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Now check your email inbox and then type in the verification code here. Now tap on submit and you can see that it is showing unverified. Now let's try reopening the Twitch app. Now go back to account settings and then security and privacy. And here you will see that your email address has been changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.